Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this amazing recipe to help your hair grow faster and stay strong. As you know, I cut my hair not too long ago. I'm gonna make this onion juice recipe that is amazing. It doesn't smell bad and it really smells really good and has a lot of property that is gonna make your hair stronger, grow faster, and definitely retain length. One of the things that we have problem with is when we're growing our hair that the hair is snipping, it keep breaking, and therefore we don't see the growth. But this helps you to retain your length, keep your hair strong, and grow faster. So please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and leave your comments down below. So today's recipe, we're gonna use one whole onion. Let's peel it off and take all the bad stuff out. Now let's chop this onion, and be careful with your fingers, don't chop them up. You don't have to chop it up in little pieces. It can be medium pieces, small pieces, whatever you want. Just make sure that you cut it up really good. Let's add 2 handfuls of rose petal, which reduce frizz and add shine and also reduce oiliness. We're going to add also some lavender flower that promotes hair growth and is antimicrobial. We're also going to add some rosemary, which stimulates hair growth and prevent baldness and reduce dandruff. Let's add some water. Just add enough water to cover up the rose, to cover up the herbs and all the onions. Not too much, so just enough to cover it up. Let's give it up a little stir and put it onto the fire. This we're going to boil for 10 to 15 minutes in medium to low heat. It doesn't have to be that hot. Medium to low heat, and we're gonna boil for 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to drain all this and just have the liquid. Here I have drained my onion juice and it's cold. I have let it cool down because it's not a good idea to add essential oil when it's too hot. So let's add some sweet orange essential oil, which gonna make your hair stronger and thicker. I'm not counting, I'm just eyeballing right now. I'm going to put this in an applicator bottle for easy use. Shake it, and then it's like to put it right here. Yeah. So it's story time. The first time I did onion juice, I did the liquid method, where you just kind of blend the onion and get the liquid, put in your hair. So I didn't do the boiling method, and my hair stink for a whole week. I couldn't sleep that night. It was that bad. I swear I will never ever again do onion juice until I find out that there are ways that you can make your onion juice not stink that much. I mean, I wouldn't say the onion smells like syrup, but it's definitely a very good improvement. I mean, the essential oils and the herbs and the rosemary and the rose, really is a game changer. So now I love onion juice. It's not good only to make your hair grow, but it just make your, I felt like it just make your hair a lot healthier. I mean, I probably use onion juice more than once a week. I'll put it in, what is it? When that went right into my, well, that went right into my eye. Now, thank God it's onion juice, you know, and it's not, there's no damage into the eye, just onion and herbs. But anyhow, I'll use it, onion juice, twice a week until it's completely gone. Then you can probably make another one and do the same. The thing about natural remedy, probably a lot of people don't realize this, is that you gotta keep doing it. You can do onion juice one day today. Let's say you find this amazing let's say you find this amazing video and you decide to make some onion juice for your hair because you really like the recipe and all the stuff, and doesn't smell like onion that much, and you really like the recipe, and you decide, well, I'm gonna make some onion juice, you know, and because you want to make your hair grow and you want to have healthier hair, and then just do it one time. You have to be consistent. One of the things that I have learned over the last, I don't know, 7 years that I've been doing natural hair, I stopped relaxing in 2008, which is almost 15 years ago, but I used to relax my hair, you know, and I stopped relaxing in 2008. So I've been pretty much relaxed or free since then. But ever since I started being curly, which was, let me see, 6-7 years ago, on and off, because I changed my mind several times during the process, and I have several big shop and several big shop. I don't know how many big shop I have in the last 7 years. There have been plenty. So because I changed my mind and then I went natural, and then I decided to straighten my hair again, or you start using hair dye and damage my hair, completely destroy my hair, like in this picture. And but now I've been on natural for a couple years now, and one of the things that I have found out is that you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent with your natural hair care. You can't do an onion juice today and then never again. You can't do a mask today and then never again. Understand that having natural hair is a lifestyle. It's not something you do one day and the next week on wash day you forget about it. That's the difference between healthy head of hair and dry, damaged curls. You gotta be consistent. You gotta be on your game. Either you're about it or you're not. So you can't do a mask one weekend and then spend 3 months and do nothing. You can't do a hot oil today and then wait until your hair is completely dry and destroyed to go back and do it again. You can't do no heat this weekend and then heat for 3 weeks. You know, so you gotta be on your game. You gotta be consistent. You have to put in the work. Beautiful curly hair doesn't show up out of nowhere. It's work and it's consistent and just the love for your hair. I often see online, you know, people who grow their hair long. Where is it? I can't find my my hair tie. A while back I saw that movement of I'm not my hair, where after girls spend years taking care of their hair, growing their hair, and just putting all that work, because this is work, plenty of work, putting that work into growing their hair, then they cut it off because they're not their hair. You know, I'm not my hair, but I sure love my hair. I love my hair as much as I love myself. I always been deeply attached to my hair all my life. If it's something that I don't let no one touch, play, or mess with, it's my hair. And no, I'm not my hair, but I love it. And I'm very proud of it. And nobody's gonna come here, oh, you know, you're not your hair, so you should cut it. No, I'm not cutting my hair. Even though, yes, I do cut it, but only for own personal reason. Like, I wanna have a different style, or I wanna have it shorter, or I wanna try something new, or I'm just plain bored of the length I have, or I want more volume. My own personal reason. Not that I'm not my hair. I'm not my hair, but I love it. I know my hair, but I'm 100% committed to it and its health and everything that have to do with it. So nobody's gonna come here and tell me, hey, you had to chop your hair because you're not your hair. Nobody messing with my hair. So let's leave this on for 15 minutes. You can probably leave it 20, 45. To me, it's just a personal choice. You can do it for 15 or you can do it for 2 hours. So it's completely up to you. I'm gonna go on, do some housework, maybe mop the floor or something while they sit on it. Sometimes I really don't care how long it stays in my hair unless it's protein treatment. Oils and liquid like that, I leave it on just until I have time to come back and wash my hair. Only when it's protein treatment, then you gotta be understanding that protein, you can have like protein overload in your curls, and that is a problem. So I do make sure that I put a timer for 45 minutes to an hour when it's protein treatment to take it out. When it's things like that and oils, I go on, do my housework, and then when I'm done, whenever that is, I wash my hair and keep on with my usually hairstyle. So I see you on the other side. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click on like if you haven't done so. I really appreciate you staying all the way to the end and watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.